All right, let's talk about the big goal, making your first real money online. Not just a few bucks here and there, but a significant income. In this breakdown, we're going to cut right through all the noise and focus on two powerful, beginner-friendly ways to hit that $5,000 mark. And this advice comes straight from a guy who's been doing this for a long, long time. I mean, this is the question, right? It's what everybody wants to know. Forget those endless lists of 100 different side hustles. We're focusing on what actually works, what has some real substance to it and can grow into something legit. The key isn't finding a bunch of ways to make a dollar. It's about finding one or two solid methods to make thousands. So the strategies we're about to get into, they come from Franklin Hatchett, an entrepreneur who's been navigating the online world for over 15 years. This isn't just some random theory. It's a real playbook built from more than a decade of wins and losses. We're looking at what he thinks are the absolute best paths for a beginner to take right now. And look, this guy's credibility comes from a massive range of experience. We're talking about everything, from dropshipping and affiliate marketing, all the way to creating his own software, managing huge ad budgets, and even developing AI tools. He's seen it all, and that's exactly why the two strategies he picked for beginners are so interesting. He knows what works and what's just a waste of time. Okay, let's jump right into the first strategy. He calls it the local business pro, and the core idea here is really powerful, especially if you're just starting out. You don't need a huge audience or thousands of customers. You can build a really nice income from just a handful of clients. So where's the opportunity? Well, it's kind of hiding in plain sight. Just think about the local businesses in your town, the plumbers, dentists, contractors. A lot of them are great at what they do, but their online presence is, well, it's terrible. You're looking for businesses with websites that look like they're from 2005, have barely any online reviews, and definitely aren't using simple AI tools to get new customers. These are your perfect clients. And this right here shows the incredible transformation you can offer. You're not just selling them a website, you're solving their biggest online headaches. You take that ancient website and make it modern. You fix their review problem with an automated system to get more 5-star ratings. And you turn their site from a boring online pamphlet into a machine that actually captures leads using an AI chat agent. The value you're providing is crystal clear. The playbook to make this happen is actually pretty simple. Step 1, find those businesses we just talked about. Step 2, offer them a simple all-in-one upgrade package. Step 3, use a tool like Go High Level, which basically has all the stuff pre-built to do the heavy lifting for you. And step 4, the best part, you get paid a recurring fee every single month for keeping it all running. So, what kind of money are we talking about? Well, a pretty standard fee for this kind of service is over $300 a month per client. And the beautiful thing is, once you set it up, the ongoing work is pretty minimal, but the value you're providing is huge and continuous. Just think, if you get a few clients, you're already well on your way to that $5,000 a month goal with a steady, predictable income. All right, let's switch gears and look at strategy number 2. This one goes in a totally different direction. It's called the affiliate funnel, and it's all about building a long-term asset, a brand, and a system that can make money for you, sometimes even while you're not actively working. So what in the world is a personal brand funnel? It sounds technical, but the concept is super simple. You create a system, like a YouTube channel or a blog, to attract people who are interested in a specific topic. You give them awesome, valuable content for free. Then, once you've earned their trust, you can recommend products that will help them, and you earn a commission when they make a purchase. And here's a perfect real-life example from the man himself. He made a free course teaching people email marketing. Inside that course, he just recommended the tool that he uses, which is called GetResponse. See, it wasn't a pushy sales pitch. It was just a helpful suggestion that also happens to pay him a recurring commission every single month. And the numbers on this can be really, really good. In that specific example, the commission is around 33%. That means for every single customer who signs up with his link and sticks with the service, he gets a third of their payment, month after month after month. That's the magic of recurring affiliate income. Okay, so how do you take a funnel like this and turn it into a serious business? Well, once you know your system actually works, the name of the game is predictability. And while creating free content is a great way to start, the fastest and most predictable way to grow is with paid advertising. It basically turns the whole thing into a simple math problem. And this slide makes paid ads way less scary. It really just comes down to this one simple equation. If you know that you can spend, say, $50 on ads to get one new customer, and you also know that customer is going to generate $100 in commissions for you over the next 6 months, well, you've cracked the code. You now have a predictable machine for turning $50 into $100. As long as that math works, you can just keep scaling up.
So we've just laid out two very different but very powerful playbooks. We've got the local business pro and the affiliate funnel. Now, the final and most important step is figuring out which one of these paths actually makes the most sense for you.
So which path is yours? This slide breaks it down perfectly. If you're someone who actually enjoys talking to people, doing a bit of sales, and solving real problems for clients, then that local business pro model is a fantastic fit. But if you're more of a creator, a teacher, someone who wants to build an audience and share what you know, then the affiliate funnel is probably your best bet. One is about direct outreach, the other is about attracting a crowd. Both can lead you to that stable, recurring revenue. So there you have it. Two distinct, expert-backed strategies to get to your first $5,000 online. These aren't just vague ideas. These are complete playbooks ready to go. The playbook is wide open. The only question left is the one on your screen. Which strategy are you going to run first?